Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your climate control in your 2019 Volvo XC40. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is to make sure you go to the center console, and as you can see right there, on the bottom part of the center console, you have all your climate controls. So, we're gonna start from the left hand side first, and then we're gonna work our way up to the right side. So first things first, of course, this is all your driver side climate control. So you do have your high, so that's the hottest setting you can get, and then low, which is your coldest setting. You can scroll through here if you want to get the perfect amount, or if you could like to measure it yourself, you could do it like this as well. And then as you can see right here, you can synchronize the temperature, so you can have the same temperature as on the driver and passenger at the same time. And then this right here with the seats, this gives you an option to put heated seats and heated steering wheel for the driver's side, and same thing goes for the passenger side. You do have your heated seats. And then right here, of course, you could change how the air projects into the vehicle. So right now I do have it on my torso, and you have your fan speed right here, auto climate, of course, and then you have your defrosters, and then you got your rear AC, circulation or fresh air, and you do have your parking climate where you could adjust it if you would like. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.